Good evening, guys. My name is Manny, and tonight is April 8th here in my hometown in Cainta, Rizal. While the Philippines is on total lockdown, at least in my area in Cainta, I'm imaging now the super pink moon. It's full moon tonight, and I'm imaging it with my Sony A6400 attached to the Tasco Luminova 4.5 inch 900 millimeter reflecting astronomical telescope. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this telescope has a 4.5 inch mirror in it, and the aperture is f8. It's only 9:40 in the evening, so there you go. And let's see. Now let's try to take some shots of the super pink moon. Well, my shutter speed is 1/125 seconds with the ISO set at 250, and let's take a shot with 10-second timer. Okay. As you can see, we haven't okay, so there's no digital zoom here. I don't need to. Feel the moon tonight almost filled the frame. So let's take a shot now. Okay, let's take another one. Let's take another one. Another 10 seconds. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, it's not that bad. One more time. Okay, there you go. It's out of frame. Not bad. Another one. As you can see here, this side is sharper. Well, you cannot expect the full moon to be sharp in all sides. There will be some kind of depth of field because the moon is round. But as you can see here, you can see the Taicho. This is the southern portion of the moon. It's called Taicho. And all other visible parts of the moon regions you can see here. There. I'm zooming it out with my Sony Handycam. Okay, let's back to the back to the image now. So there you have it, guys. That's tonight's super pink moon. Okay, so now let me show you my full setup. This is the Tasco Luminova 4.5 inch 900mm telescope. There. So this is my setup. This is the camera. Okay. This is Sony A6400 attached to the Tasco Luminova 4.5 inch 900mm telescope. Wait a second. With a homemade adapter. Okay, that's a homemade eyepiece adapter. Sony E-mount 2 barrel adapter. There you go. This is the telescope. Hold on. 100mm telescope. There's the telescope. It's a Tasco Luminova. And so the specs is diameter 114mm or 4.5 inch mirror, and it's a 900mm focal length, made in China. It's a Tasco Luminova. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. We have taken a shot of the super moon, super pink moon, I rather say. My name is Manny, saying goodbye, good night, and be safe always. Thank you. Bye bye.